Hi, let's see how we should make a new Google AdWords account. So first go to adwords.google.com, sign in with the Google account that you want to make, that you want to use for the AdWords. I'm using two-step verification here. So each time I sign in from a new device or after clearing my cookies, I get an SMS, a text message on my mobile. So this is for your own safety, and it's best that you use this. Okay, so there are two ways. There's a guided setup, and you can skip the guided setup. So we will skip the guided setup here by clicking this link, and we will do the setup ourselves. Okay, so you can set a country, and the time zone is very important here because the time zone is something that you can change only once. So you should set the time zone for whatever location you want to advertise in mainly. And if you're advertising in different locations like different countries, then I would suggest setting the time zone for the country where most of your campaigns will be running, because this will affect reporting in your AdWords interface, as well as when you set the time for when the campaign should run. This is the time zone that AdWords will consider. Like if you're setting the campaigns to run from 9 to 5, then AdWords will look at the time zone and then decide when to run the campaigns. Okay, and the currency is also very important. You can never change the currency again, so be careful. You can change the time zone once by contacting AdWords support. Even that is not available to be changed directly by yourself. So you will have, if you want to change the time zone, then you will have to contact Google support. And if you want to change currency, then there's no such option. So choose the currency wisely. And some people think that the currency should be chosen depending on what you're going to pay in, but that's not the case. The currency is important because of the reporting thing. So whatever currency you set, this is like, for example, in this account, you can see the average CPC and the costs are shown in dollars. So the currency you set there is going to be shown here in all the reporting. Okay, so it's possible you might be paying with a card that uses the different currency, and I think AdWords is going to accept that, and they will take the money and can convert using the exchange rates, but your reporting is going to be affected, so be careful about this. Okay, so this is the new AdWords interface, and if you're not familiar with this, you might get yourself familiar, because the old one is going to retire probably soon. Okay, and you can see we just went in there. I haven't set up billing yet. Okay, so it's not necessary usually to set up billing, and you can set it up later from here. If you go from here into the billing and payments, you can set it up here later. Okay, so I haven't set up billing yet, and you can see it has given me the account. So I can use the account to test, to get myself trained on how things are working. And you can create campaigns, you can create new ad groups, and you can do all sort of stuff. The campaigns won't run, but if you're trying to learn AdWords, then this is a good thing you can do. You can create a base account, and you don't need to have billing set up. So the campaigns won't run even if you make them. So you can go here, create an account, and play with it.